Welcome. This is how the English classroom resources look for English teachers. They can start by navigating to My Dashboard, where all the courses they have available to them are here. You can see each course has a level, a title, and they also have a grammar skill. Typical topics include nutrition, colours, health, etc. They're all based on the UN Sustainable Development Goals. A teacher could choose, perhaps they have an advanced C1 lesson that they'll start to teach next. Here are some examples: peace, justice and strong institutions, clean water and sanitation, or responsible consumption and production. Every course has 10 lessons. It starts with a description, which outlines the topic of the lesson and any grammar skills that are included, and a list of all 10 lessons. Start teaching. This teacher is already partway through the course. They can start by reading the teacher instructions, which include a title, purpose, goals of the lesson, and then take the teacher through step by step what to do and how to do it. So, show slide 2, ask the students what picture this shows, and after 5 minutes of guessing, reveal it's a cattle ranch. It tells the teacher how long this should take and what skill they're working on. There are also hints and tips along the way. So help, advice, how you can customize the lesson for students with learning difficulties, and how you can stretch the more advanced students in your class by giving them more challenging topics. These instructions will be translated into the teacher's local language. When the teacher has read the instructions, they can click Continue. This presentation should be shown in the classroom, either on a projector or smartboard, or they can use it to share screen if they're teaching online. Wherever you see this symbol, it means there's a sound clip to play, recorded by a native English speaker. The teacher can move through the lesson at their own pace, using the arrows on the keyboard. They can go backwards if they need, they can repeat slides if they need, and they can listen to the sound clips as many times as they like. When the teacher has finished teaching, they can either mark as incomplete and come back to it next lesson, or they can continue to the next lesson. If the teacher has a new topic starting next, they can go to Courses and choose perhaps a beginner A2 lesson to teach next.